Hi everybody. So I've been working in this scrap journal that I put together not long ago, and it's got lots of different things happening. I've got music pages and old mimeograph pages. Look at that ditto page. Some scrapbook pages. Basically, I'm just trying to use up what I have on hand. But sometimes the pages are a little too bold for me to work on, so an easy way to fix that is to use some gesso and just give a really light veiling of color right over top of the pages. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to tone down that really bright stripe pattern that's kind of coming through. And if you prefer working on dark pages, which I do a lot of the time, and you'll see that in some of my other journals, then I'll even use a black gesso. And depending on how much of the page you kind of want to peek through this veil, that will determine how many layers of gesso you put on. So I'm just quickly prepping pages. I do this a lot in my journals, and I really do like to let some of the text show through if I'm working in old book pages. I think it's a nice pattern, kind of a nice added, an added something that's kind of poking through whatever you're going to do. I'm going to let these dry and come back.